All right, it's Thursday, May 4th. I'm buying some MRNA stock here at 136.17. This is kind of on, if you look at the 15-minute chart here, after kind of a little bit of a gap up, we kind of got a neutral bar here, then pausing. So all this inside action here on bar number one is now breaking out to the upside. So I'm buying it here at the blue line. If we look at the daily chart, what we have is a market that's kind of been in a bit of a downtrend all week. This week we kind of opened up here, try to go lower for 2 weeks, couldn't reach our target, and now we get kind of a two-up day going. That is above the open of the week, which is right here, and heading higher. So the weekly chart, even though we're inside, we're kind of continuities to the upside during the week, and the daily chart failed to reach its target to the downside, is now starting up. And then the intraday structure has kind of an inside bar, inside, 4 or 5 bars, break out to the upside. So I kind of see a pivot machine gun here that we could be taking out to the upside. A lot of shorts can get trapped. It could head all the way up here to the 144 area, if we get a good. So we'll just look for continued structure up here today, breaking out of this first bar high, and see if that unfolds. We'll kind of have a stop down here, the midway point of the first bar. And again, I kind of like the way the main thing is it failed to come down and reach that target, and then immediately starts up. So once that happens, usually you're going to start reaching for some higher targets, at least, and we took out some liquidity down here and couldn't really follow through. So, we'll see if this is the type of day. It's forming like a hammer bar that could kind of and finally, I forgot to mention these 2 bars here. This should have been liquidity that could have been taken out, these 2 lines, and it seemed to come up here, and we had an opportunity to come down, but we're kind of holding. So it looks like instead of taking out liquidity and continuing lower, it's kind of holding up here and wants to seek out liquidity higher up in this area. So again, we'll just watch structure unfold here on the daily chart, and on the 15-minute chart, kind of breaking out to the upside over here now.